Okay, there it is. I have crashed just my brand new Obsidian. Here it is. I have hit this branch, I think. And it didn't avoid the obstacles, so it went down from, I don't know, 6-8 meters down. So you see, this is completely broken. Don't tell my wife about this. See, completely broken Phantom. So it was falling off, and even the battery jumped out. I will try to put the battery in. I will start to wake it up. So we have the camera on the screen, so maybe it's working, but it's completely broken. You can see the mounting for the camera, that everything is all 4 propellers and mounting for propellers. See how the wings broke? Can we record? It can record, and gyro works. So maybe I will change the body. Yeah, please check it on the map. It's completely broken. I don't know why the obstacles, they did not work. They always avoid trees like this, but they did not. We powered down. Okay, this is the story. Please don't tell my wife about this, because it was brand new. Oh, there is one propeller here. There is one, and then the rest I don't even want to know what they are. So, oh, there is. And the propellers are also brand new because I have changed them. and the body. Game over for the moment.